Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to connect the Allen Bradley compact Lodgix through Ethernet to the Anybus communicator ABC3290 to a Modbus TCP server. So with the ABC3290, this is acting as the Modbus TCP master pulling data from the Modbus TCP server here. And with the ABC3290, this is the common Ethernet model, meaning it can communicate as a Profinet, Ethercat, or Ethernet. So let's just head over to our website. With the first port, that is designated as the configuration port. So you just connect your Ethernet adapter to the first port here and then connect it to your PC. Uh, Ports 2 and 3 is designated as the Modbus TCP, and 4 and 5 is designated for the second OT network, which is either Profinet, Ethercat, or Ethernet. Once all the ports has been connected, you can head over to our website and just go to source ports and downloads and download the HMS IP config. So unfortunately, at this time of recording, this is not updated yet, but you can always jump over to our other communicators to find the same software. So we'll just go over to ABC 3090 instead. Just find software here and download the HMS IP config, and you can install it. You can always have a chat with our sales team on our live chat if they have any issues. For now, let's just open up HMS IP config. So the default IP address of the communicator is 192.168.0.10. But as you can see, I've already pre-configured my one to be 1.192.68.10.12. But it's always best to configure the communicator to be in the same subnet as your PC, or you can always change your PC to be same subnet as the communicator. So the point of HMS IP config is to detect all our Anybus products on the current network. So in this case, I have only the communicator connected. For now, let's just open up the web browser to configure it. As you can see here, you can see I've already configured the Anybus communicator to exchanging data from the the Modbus client to the Ethernet PLC, which is the compact Logix. You can, for this communicator ABC3290, you can always change the communication protocols through the firmware. So just go to a website and download the required protocol you want to exchange data with. Once you have it downloaded, just click on Files and Firmware here, and then just upload the firmware up here, and just let the communicator reset. So now we'll go over to the configuration of the Anybus communicator. So for our configuration, I've set up a E1 Flexi as the Modbus server, and I'm just reading these two, holding an input tags. So just jump over to the Modbus client configuration side and just input your tags that match your Modbus side. And for the offline option, I also put it as a safe value. That way, if the Modbus side turns off, it will put in a safe value which you can put in yourself. Now we can start configuring the Ethernet side. Just click on the Ethernet adapter. By default, the DHCP is enabled, so if you want to update the addressing, just disable it. So update your IP address to match your compact Logix and the subnet mask. The default gateway and the primary DNS and secondary and also hostname is all secondary, so it's not really required to update them. Also, I generally accept only matching I/O sizes, and you can download the EDS file from this page. You can also download from the web page on your Anybus communicator as well. So once you got the EDS file downloaded, let's jump to RS Logix 5000. Just open up a new project. Go to Tools. Let's install the EDS file from the Anybus communicator. And just keep on going next. It's done. Just go to your compact logic on the Ethernet side, and you should be able to click on new module, and this is what it should look like. Just untick all the vendors and look for HMS networks, and then you'll find the communicator here. Click on create, and then just name your communicator and give it an IP address. In this case, I have a specified IP address, and also make sure you also put in the right input and output size, or if it won't work. So once you install the EDS file, you can click on the control tags here, and then you get the available tags. Now we'll go check the data exchange from between the Ethernet and Modbus on the diagnostics and IO data here. And click on start. We'll just change this to decimal, makes it easier to see. Just open back RX Logix. Let's make it smaller so everyone can see. So this section, you can see it's writing 77. We'll just update that to a random number. And now you see it's the Anybus communicator is reading 55 from the tag, and then it's writing that tag to the Modbus side. Same this number. So written the 44 as well, and let's just say like if it goes offline, you'll see it has entered the safe value which we entered in before. Just turn it back on, it should return to normal. Yep, great, return back to normal. So let's just see. We'll just turn it back off, and let's try entering a new number, see what happens. Nothing happens, and we'll just turn it back on and enter the new value as well. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you need to contact us, you can always reach us on our website, either through the lecture or sending us an email. Thank you.